What's up, guys? This video is gonna be a little bit different today. I was actually in the middle of mini twisting my hair, as you can see, like so. I finished one section already, but I just figured I'd turn on my vlog camera and show you guys how I'm doing it and like do a little watch me do my mini twists, sort of that what Naakie what. So I figured I'd turn on my vlog camera and show you guys like how I do my mini twists. These twists are a lot smaller than what I normally do because I have to leave my hair alone. I have been doing a lot lately. I have been taking it through the ringer and she has been hating me for it. Like, I have visible breakage. Like, I'm seeing, like, whenever I wash my hair, I have more breakage than usual. So I'm doing mini twists and I'm just leaving my hair alone for like the next 3 to 4 weeks because we're on a growth journey and breakage is the enemy of progress. So we're just gonna rebuke breakage in the name of Jesus today, okay? All right. I basically just split my hair into 4 sections, so 2 in the front, 2 in the back. As you can see, again, I have finished 1 section already, so I have 3 more to go. I am starting off on stretched hair, so if you watched my last video, I think it should be up by now, but I did a heatless blowout using the banding method, so now I'm just putting my hair in mini twists, and I like doing mini twists on stretched hair versus shrunken hair just because, I don't know, it just gives your twists more length and it makes you look like you have more hang time, and like it just makes you look like you have more hair, because twists can already be kind of like not super, like, you know, like there's not even really a word for it, but at least when there's some length to it, I don't know, you just feel more feminine, you feel more like you have some hang time, like you can swing it, like all that stuff. I'm using this Camille Rose Lavender Stimulating Growth System shaken hair spritzer. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but this is what that looks like. And it's just like a spritzer, so it's just like to moisten my hair a little bit so I'm not working on completely dry hair, because that is a recipe for breakage. And again, us in breakage, like, rebuke you in the name of Jesus, okay? Okay. And then I am going in with this aloe whipped butter, which looks like this. If you have not tried this stuff, you're missing out on life. So I'm just gonna put that out there. I'm gonna let it be known, you should probably try this. So I'm just using this as my twisting butter. Like, my twists are so moisturized and so soft. You can even see, like, they're so shiny, they're so vibrant, they're so moisturized. Like, my ends are nice and coiled. We are just out here living life and living it abundantly. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop on into the video. And again, it's just gonna be me twisting my hair to some music, and I will show you what my hair looks like when it's all done. So let's get into it.
Stardust in the moonlight is all I wanna see. Look up in the night sky, cause you're nowhere to be seen. Never thought I'd be the one living for fantasy. Got me onto higher ground, I think I'm in too deep. When you heard me calling for you, already giving up on someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. Act like you don't know me cause you got too much going on. For someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. I'll be waiting, won't give up on you. I am waiting, always waiting for you. Yeah, like paper airplanes that glide across the cloud. Gold dust in the daylight is when I need you most. Living in a place where I can't seem to keep you close, but you just go where the wind blows. When you heard me calling for you, already giving up on someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. Act like you don't know me cause you got too much going on. For someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. I'll be waiting, won't give up.
Alright, you guys, I am done. I have so many twists in my head. I honestly did not anticipate doing them this small, but it just turned out that way. It is currently, I don't even know, it's currently 5:19. So it took me 1:30, like was that 3.5 hours? I think I finished them pretty quickly. I just threw some up, like half up, half down. Anything that doesn't fit, you know, it just kind of hangs, does its thing. Yeah, so this is it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up because it's free 99. And also let me know if you guys have any questions on my hair, or if you guys want to see any specific videos having to do with mini twists. I know I've already done like a mini twist styles video, so I'll link that somewhere over here or over here. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you do so that you can see whatever other videos I make on these mini twists. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Slowly taking in my body.